Alright guys, $700 loaded in Huff and even more Puff. On the main floor, Aliante Casino. Let's start with 2 cents, $4 bet. And then we can go higher than that if Wolf shows the signs. Okay, let's do $6. Maybe 5 cents, $6. No? Okay, how about 10 cents, $6. Shoot. Sorry about that. Let's move on. Let's move on to the same game. This higher major, 2,200. Well, that one major would do a thing. For me today, that one major would be, good, sweet prize and good enough for me to go home. Before we start, guys, let me show you Goldfish Casino app. Remember to install the app. You're getting a free 100 million coins when you install the game. It's in description, first sentence in my description down of the video. Then you can get all these games that we play every day free, and to play free, and it's a real casino experience. My favorite, by the way, recently was Frankenstein and Eureka Blast, because most of casinos remove Eureka Blast, and I can find it still here. And they have new games that are just coming out. I think Dragon Trio just came out. Look at how many games. This is insane how many games. Ultimate Firelink by the Bay came out. Hong Kong, I don't know, Huo. And then Dragon Train. Remember Dragon Train? It was shortly in casino and then they kicked it out. So a bunch of new games. Download the video, download the app, install the game, play the game, and let me know how was it. Let's start with 10 cents, $6. One more? Yes! Alright. Good. Let's skip this mini and go right to the upgrade. Upgrade, baby, upgrade. Ooh, minor! Fine! That's nice. $500. I'll take it. Oh, that's really nice. It's a big win. Big win, $500. Ooh, fine. That's a really fine win. Let's see if I can squeeze more dollars from this one. It's a big win. One more. Whoa. All right, that's nice. 1440. next time you should land like that on major. Oh yeah, I am greedy, I know. Okay, how long should we play here before we move? I don't know. Let's play until 900. Like what I would expect here now, that howling starts and then another bonus. Let's do on 2 cents, $4. Oh my god. I kinda knew it was going to happen. Golden. No golden. This time at 2 cents. Guys, this is crazy. It kinda I call it out. That's so cool. No, mini. No, I didn't call for that. Oh shoot. Okay. It was partially what I wanted. $40, definitely not what I wanted. But you can't get them all, I guess. Let's do 5 cents, $6. Those two saws are landing so aggressively and then nothing. There's no third one. I stayed longer because I don't know, I feel like I like it so far. There's some action. Something is happening. And now when I switch to 10 cents, it will be even more action. I will get Wolfie walking around. Bonus with wheel. How about one good line hit with blue piggies? Hit is here, just not blue piggies. $9. Hello, Wolfie man. Come on, let's do it. Wolfie's like, I gave you minor. I can't do it anymore. Like, it's too much. It's not too much. There's no such thing as too much money, man. Come on. All right. $13.50. I like this machine, but maybe, I'm not sure, I can't figure it out. Thank you very much. I couldn't figure it out, is it because, probably because I want that minor, but I can't, you know, like my mind is not clear. Is it because of that, which would be bad thing, or because I really think that machine looks healthy? It's hard to separate those two, like emotionally, you know? Come on. Hats. Oh, okay, I don't like you now. Now I do. Okay, now I do. Nice. Second reel. Come on, Wolfie. Second reel. Okay, still in the game. First mention in. So many retriggers, but this is only mention number 1. Oh my God, so many chances. Come on, lend me 3 mentions. 3 more minutes. No. So much wood here. Wood is middle class, and every now and then it can be good, but I don't know, in this economy, what is the standing of the wood of the middle class? Let's see. That is 75. Okay. It's more than minimum. Minimum would be, I think, 40. So this is way better. 226. Thank you, Wolfie. 226 will work for me. Ooh. How about one more? One more. It's always one more. Hello. I'm very emotional towards Golden Song. I love Golden Song. Oh yeah, boom, boom, boom. 162 bucks. I like that. Thank you, Wolfie, to connect all these, for connecting all these tools. $162. Fantastic. Almost. 24. Let's howl, baby. More. Oh, so game instead of hat. Oh, shoot. Come on. One piggy here would be pull another game. Okay. Now I need to be careful because it seems like machine a little bit paused with the line hits. So you tell me when to leave. Okay, $6. Let's do 5 cents, $6. 5 cents, $9. All right, I increase now. I do not know why. I think that because I want big money on big bonus. Big bonus with big money. Come on. Am I getting any money back? No? No? What if I do 2 cents, $80 back? Oh! That golden just went down. Holy shoot! Can't go too crazy. Let's go back again. 10 cents, $6. Well, maybe machine is just done. I'll do $12. And now you can start howling and give me big win. Okay, 1 cent, $80. I never played that, by the way. Oh, golden size, yeah. I never played 1 cent, $80 before. I don't know why would I. Nothing is happening. Oh, okay, this is something. $72. I don't know how much would that be if I play different denom. But I'm glad I got $72. That's 9 spins more on this bet. Let's see golden sock 3. Okay, I was greedy and I lost 400 really fast. It could be different. It could have been different, right? Well, it's back to $10, 10 cents, $6 back. Or maybe $1, $10 back. How much is that? That's $10 even, okay. One more. Holy shoot. Alright, I got line hit. I can't believe it. I got this big line hit, which is good. That paid 85. Like this one paid 10, these 3, but then like this whole thing, I didn't know this is the line, so very lucky there. Okay, this is 2 lines, I think. 27, all right. Come on. Let's do that bonus. One more. Oh. No. $2, $20 bet. I don't know. I don't think that I should be doing it. I should not be doing this. But I'm going to do it. Just maybe 2 spins. Maybe 3. 3. 4. Okay, I got something. Let's see how much that something pays. Well, it paid for my 4 spins. $80. Okay, let's try one more time. That paid for this spin. Okay. really want bonus. Oh, why? This piggy here, if this piggy was green, holy shoot, that would be a lot of money. I got $100. Let's do 3 songs. Let's do howling. Maybe it's better because if I win big on $20, then every day when I come to casino I would play $20, and that's no bueno. So maybe this is a good thing, not winning on $20. One more time. Oh shoot, I can't do it anymore. Whoa. Okay, back to 10 cents. What I should be doing is I should leave to the different half and puff machine, half and even more puff machine. Yeah. Go. Let's move on. It was so much fun, and then until it wasn't. Okay, the next one is, these are progressives. $0.10, $6. Play within your budget, D. Oh. Two more. Ooh, this one is teasing. Why not? Come on. Let's start howling. A lot of empty spins. I didn't get anything so far. Okay. I don't trust you, Wolfie. Let's move on. Yeah, you, Wolfie. I don't trust you really, like, because you were just playing too much with me. All right. Last attempt here. $2.97, 10 cents, $6. Let's see what happens. All right, some line hit finally, $27. We need a lot of line hits. No, I don't like this one either. I have 189 left. It's not that I really want to lose all the money, but the thing is, I really want to have a little bit more fun, which means to win a little bit more bonuses. I did kind of like play aggressively, you know, like $20. I mean, it could be epic, right? It could have been epic if I won something, but unfortunately that did not happen. So this is about 31, right? 31 spin, minimum 31 spin. So let's see if I can get something in the next 31 spins. Whoa. Too much pain. Okay, how about $10, 10 spins. Good. Last spin. It did not happen. I have for 5 cents, $3, one last spin. All right, guys. So it's $700 down. It's a huge loss, but I allowed it. Really, like I didn't play careful. I was too greedy, and that's what happens. But that's why we are here. You know, like things could go differently. Can you imagine if I won big on $20? It would be epic, but you know what? No risk, no reward. But if you lose everything, then no whining. That's how it is. Have a good one, guys.